Hello everyone. I am Sangan Navarashi, retired Chief Librarian, Department of Public Libraries, Government of Karnataka. I am very happy to learn that Professor M.R. Kumbar centenary year is being celebrated. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to late Professor M.R. Kumbar. I came in contact with Kumbar, librarian, head of the Department of Library Science, Karnataka University, Dharwad, in 1966 when I joined BLPC course as a student. He taught us library classification, one of the most difficult subjects in the field of library science. He used to change his teaching techniques and also used simple words including Kannada words many a times so that students of different background understand the subject very easily. He used to give more importance to time and punctuality. He used to quote some relevant Kannada idioms and also quote proverbs like no pains, no gains. Work is worship. Library is a temple of learning. Library is more important than a university because library can function without an university, whereas a university can't function without a library. Many a times he used to create jokes in class to contain attentiveness of students. He was a great scholar, excellent orator, hard worker, serious but kind hearted, good administrator, cooperative, peaceful man, man of sympathy, man of farsightedness, and what not. Many of the students trained under Professor M.R. Kumbar have already proved their efficacy working as vice chancellors, registrars, heads of the department in universities, chief library information officer in research centers, industries like HAL, NAL, IISc, etc. in Bangalore. He was in touch with other teachers and friends like Padma Shri, S.R. Ranganathan, father of library movement in India, Professor P.N. Mangala, Professor Dasgupta, Professor P.N. Kaula, and used to discuss important matters relating to library science. Professor Kumbar was associated with many high-level learned institutions like universities, research centers, DRTC, library associations, learned institutions, Rotary clubs, etc. in different capacities. He guided more than 15 students for their PhD. He also served as UGC visiting professor. As we know already that any common isolate is attachable to any main class in the system of colon classification of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Hence, Professor Kumbar's life may be compared with this common isolate, as he used to live even with a common man, irrespective of his class, creed, and sex, for the healthy atmosphere in the society. My wife Srimati Shobha was also the student of Professor Kumbar for her BLPC course in 1972 and 73, who served in the Department of Public Libraries and retired as a Chief Librarian. I thank the authorities for giving me this opportunity to express my Nudi Namana to my beloved teacher, late Professor M.R. Kumbar.